5 days. Let's say P can complete a work in P days, Q can complete a work in Q days. So can I write 1 day work is 1 by P and 1 day work is 1 by Q? Yes or no? So 1 by P plus 1 by Q is equals to, can I say 1 by 7.5? Can I write this as 2 by 15? Agree? Okay, so let's take it this as a first equation. Okay, let's take this as a first equation. What happened next? If P works alone, complete half of the job, and Q take over and he complete remaining half of the job. So that is nothing but P by 2. So half of the work will be 1 by 2 of P plus half of the work will be 1 by 2 of Q. Okay, so if they are doing like this, they are completing it in how many days? Yeah, they are completing it in how many days? 20 days. Yes or no? They are completing in how many days? 20 days. So half work of P and half work of Q. So you can take this as what, your second equation. Okay. From this, can I write P plus Q is equals to 40? P and can come together can complete a work in 40 days. Yes or no? From this, can you write P is equals to 40 minus Q? Okay, why don't you substitute here 1 minus 40 minus Q plus 1 by Q, which is equals to 2 by 15. If you rearrange this situation, you will get Q value. Yes or no? You will get Q value. But the question is what? How long will Q alone take to complete the work? P is more efficient than Q. Guys, if you do this, you will get a quadratic equation. It's a bit difficult task, when you are answering the question in this way. Okay, bit difficult task because you will get a quadratic equation here, because there is no other alternative. We can't take the LCM in this question. Okay, so please note down this and try to calculate the things later. What is the other way around here? What is the other way? Okay, what is the other way? Okay, there are this is one way of solving. The other way is already the options were given. We can go with the options. Yes, everybody is saying the answer is 30. Okay, how to answer this good question by using the options, we need to check. Okay, let's look at here. We need Q, right? Let's say Q is doing Q alone can complete a job in how many days? 20 days. Guys, if Q alone is completing it in 20 days, how the half work? Because if Q is working remaining half, how the work is going to be completed in 20 days? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? That is not possible, right? Yes or no? So let me take 40. If Q is taking 40 days to do the full work, can I say half work only 20 days? No, because P and Q are completing the work in 20 days. Is this possible? No, because Q is taking 40 days, half work of Q will be 20 days. Because P and Q are working together only, they are taking 20 days. Is this possible? No, this is not possible. Okay, then what is, yeah, a lot of people are saying the answer is 30. Then how to figure it out? Your answer is going to be 30. Okay, let's see the solution. Okay, by using the answer options. Now I need a response from your end. Guys, tell me, if Q is completing it in 30 days, half work will be completed in how many days, ma? Everybody kindly reply in the live chat. Half of the work is completed in how many days? 15 days. Yes or no? The half work will be completed in how many days? 15 days. If P and Q are taking 20 days to complete the work, so half work is 15 days, then P half work would be how many days? Q half work is 15 days, then P half work would be in how many days? Yeah, everybody kindly reply in the live chat. 5 days, no? 5 days, no? Then P half work is 5 days. Then P full work is how many days? P full work is how many days? 10 days, right? Yes or no? P full work is how many days? 10 days. Now this is where you need to understand the things properly. Okay. Now, if Q is taking 30 days and P is taking 10 days, okay, the full work, okay, full work, okay, P is taking how many days? 10 days. Q is taking how many days? 30 days, right? if these two people are working together, my work has to be done in 7.5 days. If people are working together, my work is completed in 7.5 days. Your job is a cakewalk. Now look at here. Tell me, what is the LCM, Nana? What is the LCM of 10 and 30? 30 is the LCM. So he will eat how many chocolates per day? Yeah, he will eat how many chocolates per day? 3 chocolates. He will eat how many chocolates per day? 1 chocolate. So both were eating how many chocolates per day? 4 chocolates, no? So 30 divided by 4. 30 divided by 4 is how much? 30 divided by 4 is how much? Yeah, 30 divided by 4. 15 by 2. Can I say 7.5? So I have completed verified. Yes or no? Verified. Then your answer is what? 30 days. So whenever, in MCQ format, I can assure you that 50% of the questions easily solvable by using the answer options. 50%. I can't say 90%, 100%, but 50% of the questions you can verify the answer, because of among 4 you need to figure it out your answer, no? Because probability is 25%. You can eliminate the options, right? We can eliminate 40 directly, we can eliminate 20 directly, so that because we can check with 20 also. Okay, yeah. So done with this, everybody? Okay, nice question. Why we need to do 30 by 4? Okay. Okay, guys. There are total 30 chocolates. A can eat 3 chocolates in a day. I mean, P can eat 3 chocolates in a day. Q can eat 1 chocolate in a day. So P and Q are eating 4 chocolates in a day. So the question is, to eat 30 chocolates, they will take how many days? To eat 30 chocolates, they will take how many days? Yeah, 30 by 4 days. That is nothing but 7.5 days. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, this question is also a nice one. Okay, yeah. If you understood the concept clearly, you can do it in by writing one equation, you can solve it. Yeah. So guys, you might have studied this question so many times. Yeah, people who are getting 4 pipes, they are absolutely right. People who are getting 4 pipes, they are absolutely right. Okay. Yeah, I'm going to tell you as many methods as possible. Yeah. A tank is fitted with 8 pipes. Some of them are filling the pipes. The other were emptying the pipes. Okay, emptying the tank. Some of going to be fill the tank. The other would be emptying the tank. Each of the pipes that fill that tank in 8 hours. Okay, whatever it is filling, it is taking. So the positive work would be 8 hours. The negative work would be 6 hours. Well, guys, kindly look at here. If all the pipes are kept open, when the tank is full, what time exactly the tank is empty? Okay, so the tank would be empty. Empty means negative work. Yes or no? Empty means what? Negative work. Okay, empty means what? Negative work. Okay, so guys, tell me, total 8 pipes, no? Let's say filling pipes are X. So emptying pipes would be, can I say 8 minus X, agree? Yes or no? Filling pipes are X, then emptying pipes would be what? Yeah, emptying pipes would be what here? Yeah, 8 minus X only, no? Yes or no? 8 minus X. Are you getting my point? So 8 minus X. So, so filling pipes can fill the tank in how many minutes? Yeah. So X pipes, they are taking in how many minutes, ma? Yes. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Could you tell me, could anybody wrote the equation? If anybody wrote the equation, could you write in the live chat? What would be the correct equation? What would be the correct equation? Yes. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay, some people wrote the quadratic equation also. Okay, so x by 8, x by 8 minus x minus 8. Sorry, is this x by 8 or x by 6? X by 8 or x by 6? Yeah, x by 6 minus of x minus 8 by 8, which is equals to plus 1 by 6 or minus 1 by 6, plus 1 by 6 or minus 1 by 6. Okay, if you solve this, what is x value? Yeah, what is x value? Yeah, because filling pipes only we need, right? Yeah, anybody solved this equation? Yeah, you will get x value as what here? 4. Okay, you will get x value as what here? 4. Guys, tell me, I don't want to get into this equation. I am going to solve the question in pure logical way. Now, guys, tell me, there are total filling pipes are taking 8 hours, no? So, which is 1 by 8. 1 by 8 means 12.5, agree? Yes or no? The emptying pipes are taking 6 hours. So, 1 hour work would be, can I say 16.66%? Guys, please kindly reply in the live chat. You are going to learn some amazing stuff here. Okay, is these two values are right? Is these two values are right? Could you tell me what would be the difference here? What would be the difference here? Yeah, difference. I want the difference. Tell me approximately. What would be the difference here? Yeah, 4.16. Yes or no? So in every hour, it is emptying 4.56% of the work, whatever the work, water, whatever the thing. Yes or no? So if there were 4, okay, are you getting my point? Okay, so every hour it is emptying 4.16. Okay, every hour it is emptying 4.16. So in 6 hours, how much it will empty? So 14.16. So tell me approximate value. 25%, no? Yes or no? So 25%, no? So 25% it is emptying. Therefore, there has to be 4 outlet pipes, no? 100% vacant avalante, it has to be 4 outlet pipes. One pipe 25% it is doing the work. So like that, there are if you want to empty it, there should be 4 outlet pipes, then only it will empty 100%. Yes or no? Then only it will empty 100%. Then 4 would be outlet, then inlet 5. The filling pipes are how many? 8 minus 4, because that is value will give you 4 only, no? Boys and girls, please, if you want to explain me this, I'll explain one more time, but I want you to know this. Okay, I want you to know this. Please understand the nice logic. Inlet pipe is 8 hours. Outlet pipe is 6 hours. So 1 hour work is 1 by 8, which means 12.5% of hour. 1 by 6 is nothing but 16.66%. So the difference is what, Nana? 4.16. Okay, so 4.16 in 1 hour. In 1 hour, it is emptying 4.56% of whatever the water is there. So in 6 hours, how much it will? Why I am talking about 6 hours? Because you need to empty the thing, no? Because the total tank will be emptied in how many hours? 6 hours. So in 6 hours, how much part it will do? 25%. So 25% by one outlet pipe. Like that, how many outlet pipe do you have so that the tank will empty? Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what I'm doing. Guys, understood till 4.16. Let's say the tank is having 100 liters. So in every hour, with one pipe, how many liters of water is going out? 4.16. Yes or no? 4.16. Tell me, in 6 hours, how many liters of water will go out with one pipe? Tell me, how many liters of water will go with one pipe? Or 1 hour 4.16, then 6 hours would be 25 liters. One pipe is emptying 25 liters. If you have how many pipes, the 100 liters will be emptied. How many, if you have how many pipes? Four pipes, no? Four pipes. People are asking me in the live chat, people who have doubts, you need to tell me. Okay, so one pipe, so four pipes you need to have so that it will be empty, right? So when four pipes do you have to empty, so inlet total 8 pipes are there. So four inlet pipes and four should be outlet pipes. Okay, four should be outlet pipes. Yeah, that's complete our solution. Let's go to the next question. Yeah, this is easy one. No need to think about it. Please quickly tell me the answer. Quick, quick, quick. Baby question. Yeah, 6 2 by 3, 6 2 by 3, 6 2 by 3, 6 2 by 3. Naveen, I didn't assume 1 hour is equals to 4.16 because one filling tank is 8 hours, emptying tank is 6 hours. So 1 hour work is 1 by 12. 6 hours work is 1 by 6. 1 by 12 is 12.5. 1 by 6 is 16.66. That difference is 4.16. So in 1 hour, it is completing 4.16 of the work. Okay, that's why 1 hour is equals to that. So X can finish in 12. Guys, you know this, right? Whenever there are two persons, always remember the total number of days is going to be, I told you so many times, product of the days by sum of the days. Okay, how we got this? 1 by x plus 1 by y is equals to 1. So xy, okay, y plus x. This is what? 1 day work. 1 day work is this. Then full work is going to be reciprocal of that. So xy by x plus y. So product of the day. So 12 into 15 by 12 plus 15. Just solve this, you will get 6 2 by 3 as your answer. Or you can take LCM and also you can do that. Okay, very easy question answer, 6 2 by 3. Yeah. Okay. Quickly tell me, you might have solved it. What is the answer for this question, Nana? 5 days. Very good. 5 days. Okay, please help me out. What is the LCM? LCM. 60. Yeah, what is the LCM here? LCM is what here? 60. Okay. So A 12, B 15, C is going to be 20. So in 12 days, he will eat 60 chocolates. So in 1 day, chala fast ga jali. 5, 4, 3. So together, 12 chocolates in a day. Okay, 12 chocolates in 1 day. So the total work is 60 units. Please understand the question carefully. Okay. So if they are working together, so 60 by 12 only, no? So 1 day, 12 chocolates work. So to eat 60, they'll take how many days? So 60 by 12, that is nothing but 5 days. Yeah, that is nothing but what? 5 days. So next question. As a worker, A is thrice as good as B. So A, B. So the efficiency is different, days are different. So if A will eat 3 chocolates, B will eat 1 chocolate. So that's why thrice as efficient. Then days would be 1:3 only, no? Days is going to be what? 1:3. Yeah. So can I take 1x and 3x? So A is taking 1x day and B is taking 3x days. Guys, it's very simple, no? When they are working together, we know they are completing it in 5 days. Don't take LCM. Just now we have seen product of the days by sum of the days only, no? That is nothing but total number of days. Okay, so what is the product of the days? X into 3x divided by sum of the days. X plus, sorry, product of the days by sum of the days. So what is this? 3x, which is equals to 5. So for your understanding, I'm writing it. Otherwise, no need to write all these steps. So can I cancel this? Yes or no? So that is nothing but 20 by 3 only, no? The x is nothing but what? 20 by 3 days. So A can complete a work in what? 20 by 3 days. B can complete a work in what? 3 into 20 by 3 days, which is nothing but 20 days. What is your question? A can complete a work in how many days? 20 by 3 days. How many people are getting 20 by 3? It's 20 by 3. It's not 10 by 3. Okay. 20 by 3 is going to be the correct answer. Okay. So that's complete our solution. Let's go to the next one. Yeah. Okay. A, B, B, C and C, A. Okay. Very simple. Again, just now only we calculate, no? So 12, 15 and 20. LCM is what? 60. So A, B are taking A and B together 12 days. B and C together 15. C and whatever A and C and A are taking 20 days. So guys, tell me, A and B will eat how many chocolates in a day? So in one day, they are going to eat how many chocolates? 5 chocolates. Here 4 chocolates. Here 3 chocolates. Together they are eating 12 chocolates in a day. But the 12 chocolates by who? There are 2 A's, 2 B's and 2 C's. Can I say 2 of A plus B plus C are eating 12 chocolates per day? Which means, can I say A plus B plus C, they will eat 6 chocolates in a day only, no? Per day. Yes or no? Your job is finished. One day they are eating 6 chocolates. To eat 60 chocolates, they'll take how many days? Very simple. Into 10. So into 10, then your answer will become what? 10 days. People who got 10 days, they're absolutely right. People who got 10 days, they're absolutely right. A lot of people got the answer. Fantastic. Okay, let's go to the next question. Yeah. People joining, leaving. Yes. Okay. Anybody 8 days? Okay. 8 days, 8 days, 8 days. We'll see. A can finish a work in 16, B can finish the work in 8 days. So A is taking 16, B is taking 8. What is the LCM? LCM is 16. So he will eat 1 chocolate per day, he will eat 2 chocolates per day. So the total work is 16 units of 16 buildings. Look at here, this is most important. A started the work alone. B joined him after 4 days, which means, can I conclude? The first 4 days, A alone worked. Yes or no? A will eat how many chocolates? A started the work alone. B joined him after 4 days. So can I say A will eat, one day he is eating 1 chocolate. So in 4 days he will eat 4 chocolates? No. Out of 16, he ate already 4 chocolates. The remaining work would be what? 16 minus 4, which is 12 chocolates only. So the remaining part, who is working? A and B are working. A and B will eat how many chocolates per day? 3 chocolates. Remaining work is what? 12. So 12 by 3. 12 by 3 is nothing but what? 4 days. What is your question? Find the time taken to finish the work. The time taken to finish the work. Initially it is 4 days. Now it is 4 days. The total work is what? 8 days. The total work is what here? 8 days is going to be the correct answer. 8 days going to be the correct answer. Okay? Okay? Yeah. Guys, tell me. I have a question. B worked for how many days? B worked for how many days? B worked for how many days? It's very simple. B worked for B worked for this region only. This region is completed in how many days? 4 days. So then B worked for what? 4 days. Yeah. Next question. Yeah. Anybody got the answer, Nana? 11, 10, 11, 10. Okay. Very near answers. Okay. Okay. We'll see. Okay. Amit can do it in 20 days. Right? Yeah. Guys, you need to start your question by using this point. So Amit and Suraj. Suraj efficiency is 25% more than Amit. Guys, tell me, if Amit is 100% efficient, then Suraj will be what percent efficient, Nana? If Amit is 100, Suraj will be what? I am saying Surat. Yeah, Suraj will be what? 125. So what is efficiency ratio? 25 fours are, 25 fives are. Then efficiency would be 4:5. Then days would be what? 5:4, no? We know 5 parts is nothing but 20 days only, no? When 5 parts is 20 days, when 5 parts is 20 days, okay, one part is what? Sorry, 5 fours are 20, 4 days. When one part is 4 days, can I say, yeah, this, okay, so then this 4 parts would be what? 16 days. Yes or no? 16 days. So can I conclude Suraj can complete a work in 16 days? Agree? Yeah, Suraj can complete a work in how many days? 16 days. Now, as usual, what is the LCM? 20 and 16. Quick. LCM क्या होता? 20 and 16 LCM. Yes. 20 and 16. 80? Yes, 80. When 80 is LCM, he'll eat 4 chocolates, he'll eat 5 chocolates. Yes or no? But the point is this. Who started the work? Who is joining when is important. Amit started the work and Suraj joined him 4 days before the work was completed, which means, okay, last 4 days who worked, Nana? Last 4 days who worked? That is important. Suraj joined him when? Before 4 days the work is get completed. From beginning to ending, who was there in the work? Amit. So the last 4 days, Suraj and Amit worked. They are eating together. They are eating how many chocolates per day? 9 chocolates. In 4 days, they will eat how many chocolates? 9 fours are 36 chocolates. अभी कितना बाकी है? 80 minus 36 would be what? Yeah, 80 minus 36 would be what, guys? Everybody. 80 minus 36 would be what? 44. This 44 done by whom? Yes, this 44 done by whom? Only A. A is eating how many chocolates per day? 4. So 11 by 4, 11, sorry, 44 by 4. So 11 days. What is your question? That is most important. Question क्या है अभी? Find out the number of days which Amit worked alone. Amit worked alone how many days? 11 days. Okay, Amit worked alone how many days? 11 days. It's not 10 days. I have one more question. Guys, tell me, total work completed in how many days? Total work completed in how many days?
7th century 98 out.
Yes, 15 days. I have one more question. How many days? Yeah, how many days A was there in the work? How many days A was there in the work? Yeah, the total number of days, which means I'm not asking A alone. कितना दिन है वो पूरा work में A? A was there from beginning to ending. So the work is completed in how many days? So those number of days he will be present. Okay, so that's complete our solution. Let's go to the next question. Nice question. How many of you got this answer? Actually, there is no, I mean, approximately you can answer this. The next one, how many of you got the answer? Okay. Okay.
5.43.
Yeah. Okay. 1 day, 2 days, 3 days, 5 days. Okay. Okay. Okay, guys. Okay, let's see who is going, who has done the great job. We'll see. Okay, guys, tell me. You know this concept, right? Efficiency always inversely proportional to number of days. No, we'll do this question based on this particular funda. Okay, guys, tell me. B2C. B2C. What is efficiency ratio? B2C, the efficiency, the number of days, right? Okay, the days ratio is 2:3. Then efficiency would be 3:2 only, no? Yes. Next, A2C. 5:3 is what, no? Efficiency. So 5:3 is efficiency. Then days ratio, it would be what? 3:5. Yes or no? 3:5. Right. You know, I am writing directly because the clue was days. So concentrate on days ratio. Could anybody tell me what is A:B:C? Don't ask me how to calculate with this. You can manipulate the numbers and you can tell me. I'm doing it for you. B is to C is 2 is to 3. Can I write C is to A is 5 is to 3? So from this, can I write, can I multiply this whole ratio with 5? Can I multiply this whole ratio with 3? Because my C is not same, no? So that's why I'm equating it. 5 2 is a 10, 5 3 is a 15, 5 3 is a 15, 3 3 is a 9. Can I say, so I am rearranging it. So 10 is to 15 is to 9. This is what? B is to C is to A. So can I write A is to B is to C as 9 is to B, 10 is to 15? Agree? Is this point clear, everybody? Is this point clear, everybody? 9 is to 10 is to 15, clear, everybody? Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So let me erase this. Let me erase this calculation. You might understood. So guys, tell me. Yeah. Guys, tell me. Yeah. A takes 4 days less than C. A and C. How many parts difference, Nana, here? A and C. How many parts difference? 6 parts. 6 parts is equals to 4 days. Now tell me, A, 9 parts is equals to how many days? 6 parts is equals to 4 days. Then 9 parts is equals to how many days? Into 9 by 6. Tell me, everybody. Okay. Guys, did I wrote anything wrong? Did I wrote anything wrong? Is my ratio is correct? Pujita, it's correct only. Everybody is saying it's correct. Did I made any mistake here? Taking ratios ulta palta? No, right? Guys, please clarify this. Otherwise, after going at the end, we will end up with the wrong answer. I'm right? Pujita, please check it out. Okay, it's wrong. Why it is wrong? Could anybody tell me why it is wrong? The ratio is wrong, huh? Okay. Okay, why the ratio is wrong? Is it 10 is to 9 is to 6, huh? Are you sure? No, I think it's right. Yeah, the days ratio only, no? 9 is to 10 is to 15. Second efficiency is not days. Okay, that's what, man. So here the efficiency ratio is 5 is to 3. Then days ratio is 3 is to 5 only, no? Here days ratio is 2 is to 3. That's what I wrote here. Efficiency would be 3 is to 2. Yeah, everything is perfectly right. When I'm mixing it, yeah, it's correct. Correct only. No, it's not. Yeah, it's correct only. Yes. Yeah, please కొంచెం కూర్చొని చేయండి, వస్తుంది అది కూడా. Right. So 9 parts is what? 6 days? Yeah, 6k is equals to 4 days. Then 9 would be 6 days? Yes. Next, 6k is equals to 4 days. So B is going to be, then 10k is equals to what? So you will not get a perfect number, you will get in fractions. So 10 by 4. Could anybody tell me what is this? 4 into 10 by 6. 4 into 10 by 6. 40 by 6. 40 by 6. 20 by 3. Yes, 20 by 3 days. So see, 6k is equals to 4 days. You can calculate 1k is equals to, doesn't matter. So then 15k is equals to what? Yeah, 15k is equals to what? 10 days. Okay, 10 days. Okay, 10 days. So please write down, everybody, because I want to remove this. Yeah. So A is completing his work in 6 days. So B is taking 20 by 3 days, and C is completing the work in 10 days. Okay. Yeah. So 6 days, 20 by 3 days, and 10 days. Now one more learning point. So tell me, what is the LCM of 6 comma 20 by 3 comma 10? Yeah, this is where few people know this. A can do it in 6, and B is taking 20 by 3, and C is what? 10. Okay, so what is the LCM? Guys, whenever the LCM is like this, in the format of A by B or C by D and E by F, in the fraction, because this is fraction, no? So if you want LCM, so LCM of ABC by HCF of BDF, you need to do this. So what is the LCM of 6 comma 20 by 3 comma 10? So you need to calculate LCM of 6 comma 20. Nothing is there means 1 is here. Okay, comma 10. So the HCF of 1 comma 3 comma 1. So tell me LCM of 6 comma 20 comma 10. What is the LCM? What is the LCM? 60, no? What is HCF of 1 comma 3 comma 1? It's 1 only. Essentially my LCM is 60, agree? SR, no? Essentially my LCM is what? 60. So there are 60 chocolates. So A can eat 10 chocolates. Could you please tell me B can eat how many chocolates? Yes, guys. Yeah, 9. So this person, yeah, this person can eat how many chocolates, Nana? This person. Yes. Yeah, 6 chocolates. Okay, guys, look at here. So what happened? A and C completed the work in, okay, A, B, C started the work. So let's say there are total 60 chocolates, no? So who started the work? A, B, and C. Guys, tell me, A, B, and C together, they can eat how many chocolates, ma? 10, this is 15. 10 plus 15. 10 plus 15. 25. So in 2 days, they can complete how many chocolates, Nana? So they can eat 50 chocolates, no? Yeah, 50 chocolates. Okay. Okay, 50 chocolates. Remaining chocolates are how many? 10. Who left the job? Who left the job? Yeah. B and C left the job, which means this has to be completed by whom? A only, no? So, yeah, A can eat 10 chocolates. So, that is what 1 day. Okay, 1 day only getting, no? Yeah. The number of days A to complete the remaining work is what? So, the answer is what? 1 day. People who got 1 day, they're absolutely right. Great job. Okay. Okay. Yeah, guys, somebody is saying, yeah, that is, I need to satisfy everybody. No. Yeah, you can take any multiple of 3 also, that's totally fine. Yeah, but you have to multiply and you have to divide with the same thing. Or you can multiply everything with 3, that is also fine. Because you don't have a denominator, okay, at the end of the day. So done with this, everybody, please kindly reply in the live chat. Say yes, yes, yes. We'll go to the next question. Yeah, everybody kindly reply in the live chat, ma. Okay, yeah. So once again, please go through this question, everyone. Yeah, this is a nice one. I love this question because logic is most important. Yeah. Anybody got the answer? Okay. 5 days. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Yes, Chaitanya, you're right. Okay, Nana. 5 days. A lot of people are getting 5 days. Okay. Yeah. How many of you got this answer? I think very little number. Okay, guys. There are 2 ways to handle the question. First way, I'll tell you quickly. Guys, there are 20 men. and they can complete the work in 20 days. Okay, 20 men, they are completing in 20 days. So can I say the total work is going to be 400 units? The total work is going to be what? 400 units. See, the question is what? After how many days should the number of men be increased? Okay, in 20 days, some days, after some days, I need to increase 50% of the men. What is 50% of 20, Nana? Because men is 20. Okay, number of days are how many? 20. What is 50% of 20? 10. So after some days, how many people will work? 30 people will work. Okay, with the manpower of 30, you need to complete 75% of the actual time. What is your actual time? 20. What is 75% of it? Can I say 15 days? So first you should know why 30 is coming, why 15 is coming. Okay, you should know these two values. Have you understood this? These two values are important first. 30, and after some days 30 men will work. By using this man force, I need to finish my work by in 15 days. Okay, I need to finish my work in how many days? Nana? 15 days. Okay, guys, tell me, let's say after n days, okay, after n days, I need to increase my capacity, the men, by 50%. Tell me, in the first n days, how much work will be done, Nana? In the first n days, how much work will be done? So the first n days would be worked only 20 men, no? So the work will be, the completed work is nothing but, okay, the completed work is nothing but, can I say it's going to be 20 into n? So can I say 20 and agree? Point by point. Okay, n by 20 is 1 day work of that. Okay, I'm talking about in n days. Okay, in n days with a man force of 20, they'll finish 20 n work. Okay, 20 n work. Yes or no? 20 n work. Okay, 20 n work. Guys, now tell me, I think this will look like a complicated, but I'll make you easy. Okay, so after 20 days, the remaining days would be what, Nana? Because my work has to be completed in 15 days only, no? My remaining days are going to be, 15 minus n only, no? Yes or no? My remaining days are how many, Nana? 15 minus n. Okay, remaining days are how many? 15 minus n, because my work has to be completed in 15 days. So the remaining work would be what? 15 minus n. With what man force? So can I say the remaining work would be 15 minus n into 30 only, no? This will my remaining work. This will my remaining work. Okay, this is my remaining work. Please note down all the points. Okay, please note down all the points. Okay, this is the total work. Please write down, guys. Total work is 400 units. After n days, I need to increase 50% of the men, because the question is that only. So in n days, 20 people will do 20 n work, because I want to complete the work in 15 days. Out of 15 days, already n days work is done. So the remaining days are 15 minus n days. In 15 minus n days, with a capacity of, with a manpower of 30, they can finish 15 minus n of 30 work they'll do. So can I conclude? Initially, I have completed 20 n work. Again, I have to complete 15 minus n of 30 work. This total is equals to only 400, no? Yes or no? So if you calculate this, you will get n is equals to what? 5. Okay, if you calculate this, n is equals to what? 5. Okay, na? Itla చేయకూడదమ్మా. ఇట్లా చేస్తే చూడండి ఎన్ని ప్రాబ్లమ్స్. ఓకే, ఇట్లా చేయొద్దు. ఇట్లా చేస్తే కష్టమవుతుంది. Then how to approach this? That's the beauty of the options. When you have options, you can do this. N is equal to, you are getting 5 only. Are you getting 5 only? Yeah, option verification is the best approach, Nana. Whenever the questions were little bit critical, option verification is the best one. How to verify that, you should know. How to verify that, you should know. Let's check it out. You know, 20 into 20 is equals to what, Nana? 400. Please assume the total work is 400 units. Let's take after 6 days. Okay. First you should know my work has to be completed in how many days? 75% of this, which means my work has to be completed in 15 days. Keep this in mind. So days and men. Tell me, let's take after 6 days someone joined. First 6 days, how many people will work, Nana? 20. Tell me how much work they'll do. Please kindly reply in the live chat. How much work they'll do? Yeah, 120 units. Yes or no? Out of 15 days, already 6 days is done. Remaining would be what, Nana? Remaining would be what? 9. 9 into, in the second case, how many people will work? 30 people will work. So 9 into, so which is what? 270. My answer has to be, that has to be equals to 400. Is you are getting 400? No, you are getting 390. So slightly. So if you take one value above or one value less than this, and 90% you will get your answer. So let's take 5 days men. So 5 days 20 people are working. 5 20s are 100. So the remaining, if 5 days 20 people are working, so remaining 10 days, how many people will work now? 30. So 30 into 10 is 300. So 400. Is my answer is verified? Yes. That's it. Finished. See, that's the beauty of the options. Whenever, if you are taking some variable, you know, it will take some time. Okay. Okay. I hope everybody understood. You can verify with the remaining options also. You will not get, that will not going to be equals to 400. Okay, so done with this, Nana. Can I go to the next question, shall I? Once kindly reply in the live chat. Yeah. Everybody should reply in the live chat. Quick. Okay, great. Appreciate it. Let's go to the next question. Yeah. You know, these are the easy ones. Standard model. I'll tell you the shortcut also. 5 men are means what, Nana? Equals to 5 men is equals to 4 women. Okay, 5 men is equals to what, Nana? 4 women. From this, can I write 1 man is equals to 8 by 5 women? You that day, yesterday I discussed M1 D1 is equals to what? M2 D2. Okay, M1 D1 is equals to what? M2 D2. You know, either you can convert everything into men or women. Okay, so your question is what? 3 men and 4 women, they can complete the work in how many days? Guys, in place of 1 man, can I write 8 by 5 women? So in place of 1 man, I am writing what? 8 by 5 women. So what I am doing is I am converting everything into women. So in first case, how many women were there? 8. So 8 women are taking 12 days. The question is, these many women will take how many days? Okay, so 24 women divided by 5 plus 4 women. So 5 4s are 20. Can I write this as 44 women by 5? So 44 women divided by 5, they will take how many days? Just calculate D here. Women will get cancelled. 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 threes are. Okay, so 8 threes are 24. Okay, into 5. Can I say this is 120? So 120 divided by 11, that will give you D2. So 11 11s are 121. So approximately what? 11 days is going to be your answer. Approximately what? 11 days is going to be our answer. People who got 11 days, they are absolutely right. This is a standard model in so many exams. Direct question in CAT exam, in so many times, you know, this model is asked. Maybe the variables may increase. 5 men or 8 women or 3 child he'll give. The only point is you have to convert everything into 1 unit. Okay, so this is one way of doing it. So I am going to tell you the one shortcut for this kind of model. Only this variety, which means only when you have 2 variables. Write first statement in the numerator, like multiplying 5 into 8 into 12. Okay. In second statement, you have 3 men and 4 women. Multiply women with men. Okay, multiply women with men. Multiply men with women. Okay, so now guys, please tell me women with men. 5 fours are everybody. 5 fours are 20 plus 3 eights are 3 so 8 threes are 24. You will end up with the same statement. 5 into 8 into 12 divided by, can I say 44? That's what only just now we have calculated, no? 4 ones are 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 12 fives are 60 into 2 is what? 120. 120 divided by 11, that will give you 11 days approximately. Okay, that will give you 11 days approximately. Okay, so right, so let me put it in this way: x, y, z. Okay, I need to take the other values, m and n. So x into y into z by nx plus my. So this will give your answer. Okay, this will give your answer. Okay, I hope done with this. Please kindly reply in the live chat, say yes, yes, yes. We need to finish 2 more questions, 3 more questions. Yeah. Okay, this is also popular model. You know, there are so many ways to handle the question, but please follow this method. There are so many ways people will tell you. Okay, 3 women. Yeah, please follow this method. You will get the answer. Always you will get the answer. No need to doubt about it. Yeah, 3 men and 4 women can complete a work in 4 days. Guys, tell me, with the capacity of 3 men and 4 women, they are taking it in 4 days, no? If I want to complete the work in 1 day, I need to increase my man force, no? So that is nothing but, so that's going to be 12 men plus 16 women. They can complete it in 1 day. Yes. So next, 2 men and 5 women, they can complete the work in 5 days. The 1 day work is 1 by 5. I want to complete it in 1 day. So can I write 10 men and 25 women, they can complete it in 1 day. So this is also 1 day work, this is also 1 day work. Can I equate these two? Could you equate this and tell me? Can I say 2 men is equals to, what is the difference here? 2 men is equals to what? Okay, 3 men. I'm so sorry. Okay. Wait. Okay, 3 women and 4 men. Okay. 3 women and 4 men. Yeah, women, men. Is this right? 2 men and 5 women. Yeah. So, yeah, finally tell me what is this? So 6 men is equals to 13 women. Yes. So men by women is equals to 6 by 13. I am doing it right. Boys and girls, is this right? Yes, is my statement is right? Yeah, men by women is equals to what? 6 by 13. 13 by 6 are, okay, 13 by, yeah, sorry, 13 by 6. Yeah. If a woman paid how many rupees must? 60 rupees. If woman 6 parts is 60, then 13 parts would be 130 only, no? Yeah. 6 parts is 60, then 13 parts would be what? 130. Yeah, 13 by 6, agree. 13 by 6, then 6 parts is 60 rupees, then 1 part would be 10 rupees, then 13 parts would be 130 rupees. 130 rupees. Yes, guys. So this is a purely a concept of, M1 D1 by W1 is equals to M2 D2 by W2. Okay, just you need to plug the values. Because you can't take the LCM of, something variables. X minus 2 men can do it in X plus 7 days. 3/4 of the same work, X minus 10 days. Okay. Yeah. So if this work is 3/4, so when this work is 1, this work is what, 3/4. Okay, so 4 will go to the numerator. If you calculate this, you will get x. Anybody calculated? You might have solved it. No, what is x value? Tell me the x value, because the question is not x. Please calculate this and tell me what is x value. Yeah, Anudeep, x value how much, ma? 4 will go to the numerator. You need to calculate your x value. Okay. Yeah, what is x? Okay. X value. $20. Esma, what is x value? You will get a quadratic equation. Yeah. X is 20. Because x should not be positive. Okay. When x is 20, yeah, when x is 20, you can plug the values anywhere you want. Calculate the number of days in which x plus 4 men complete the job. Okay, x plus 4 men complete the job. So in first case, x minus 2 men, they are taking x days now. So if you substitute x, 8 men are taking or can do it a work in 20 days. So the question is what? X plus 4, which means 24 men can complete a job in how many days? Just you need to solve this. Okay. 4 6 are, 4 5s are, 6 1s are, 6 3s are. So 5 3s are what? 15 days. Okay, answer for this question is what? 15 days is going to be the correct answer. Okay, you will get a quadratic equation. Can you please tell me, help me with the quadratic equation, anybody? Because some people, they don't wrote it. Anybody? Okay, if I am right, the quadratic equation is x square minus 6x. Is it 280? Is this the quadratic equation, guys? Yes. Okay, x square minus 6x minus 280. So you have to split 20 into 14 only, no? So you have to write x minus 20 and x plus 14, because x should not be negative. So positive value, x is equals to 20, because you need to equate to 0, no? Yeah. So this completes our solution. So next. Yeah. Last question. What is the answer, Nana? Again, there are so many ways to handle this question. Yeah. Could you please tell me the best way? Yeah. Okay. Option verification. Yes. Yeah. 12.5 is the correct answer. So, let's do it in a general way first. Okay. Yeah. Okay. If one pipe A can fill the tank in 10 hours, okay, the time is what? 10 hours. Suppose A can fill, guys, tell me, A can fill the in 10 hours, let's say, suppose in 1 hour it is filling 100 liters of water. Okay, so in 10 hours, the capacity would be what? What is the capacity of tank? Can I say in 1 hour, it is filling 100 liters. So can I say, yeah, so the capacity would be what? 1000 liters? Yes or no? The capacity would be what? 1000 liters. When pipe A is filling 100 liters, the 4 other pipes, okay, the 4 other pipes will, with the efficiency of 20%, one pipe will fill only 20 liters, no? So second pipe will fill only 20 liters, no? And the third one also fill 20 liters, no? And the fourth one also fill 20 liters, no? Which means together they are filling in how many liters? Yeah, 80 liters, right? Yes or no? So 80 liters in 1 hour. 1 hour. So our question is what? Our question, so 1000 has to be done in how many hours? So you have to divide with this. But if you are smart, 1 by 8 is nothing but what? 12.5 hours. Because 1 by 8 is nothing but what? Yeah, 1 by 8 is nothing but what? 12.5. So 12.5 hours is going to be our answer. Okay, 12.5 is going to be our answer. Okay, guys, morning we have seen this concept, no? If 1 by n increase, the other value will decrease by what? Yeah, the other value will decrease by what? 1 by n plus 1. So the efficiency of the remaining pipes are 20%, no? 20% means, can I say, this is 1 by 5? Yes or no? Are you getting my point? Please have to handle the situation like this. Okay, please understand. If 1 by n increase, that will decrease by 1 by n plus 1. If 1 by n decrease, the other value will increase by 1 by n minus 1. Yes or no? Guys, look at here. The four pipes have an efficiency of 20% of A. Together, they have an efficiency of 80% of A. Those, can I say, there is a decrease in efficiency of 1 by 5, because only one pipe is 20%, all the four pipes includes 80%, no? Yes or no? All the four pipes includes what? 80%. I know it's very tricky to figure it out, but all the four pipes is 80%. Actually, this is 100%. So how much less percent it is having? How much less percent it is having, ma? Yeah, it is having a less percent. So it is decreased by 20%. When it is decreased by 20%, can I say 1 by 5 decreased? So my time will increase by 1 by 4 only, because 5 minus 1, 4, 25%. In 10 hours, what is 25%? Can I say 2.5 hours extra? So 10 plus 2.5, it's going to be 12.5 only, no? I know a lot of people will get confused with this solution. I don't want to discuss it, but if you understood the logic behind this, it will be, you will appreciate it. Okay. Because one pipe is 20%. So four pipes together is 80%. Actually, it is 100%. How much decrease that value? 20%. When 20% decrease, the other value will increase by what? That's what I'm doing, Venkat. When 20% decrease, morning we have seen. Okay, because the capacity of the tank remains the same. The capacity is same. When the capacity is same, you can use the rule of product rule. Morning we have seen using of constant product rule. So when 1 by 5 decrease, the other value will increase by 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 of what? 10. In 10, 1 by 4 is what? 2.5. So 10 plus 2.5 will give you what? 12.5. Yeah. Okay. That's complete the solution. Okay. Anyway, you might have understood the first method. That is fair enough. Okay. So done with this every question, everybody? Okay. Yeah. Okay. I hope. Yeah. Okay, guys, done with this, everybody. So please go and check my LinkedIn. I posted a question. Please answer there. It's a puzzle of Shakuntala Devi, because from today onwards I used to go to post one puzzle in LinkedIn, because Infosys is fed up with all the puzzles of Shakuntala Devi. Okay, so that's why I come up with, I usually post from today onwards. I'll try to post as many puzzles is possible. Tomorrow I'll answer it. Okay, tomorrow I'll post the answer. So please go there and please check it out. The question, please write your answer. Yeah. Okay, please write your answer. Yeah, my ID is Surya Dubyala. You can see there, Surya Dubyala, SURYA DUBYALA. Okay, you can see there. Yeah, and you can answer that puzzle, because we don't know, in the 10 questions you may encounter one or two puzzles of Shakuntala Devi. So why don't we learn the puzzles? Yes or no, guys? Okay. Yeah. Akshay is asking, sir, in question number 3, if the condition of tanks is empty. Yeah, Surya Dubyala, SURYA DUBYALA. Yeah. Okay, Akshay, could you please post your question one more time? Then question number 3, what if the condition of the tanks is empty? Yeah, the condition is emptying only, no, it's not filling. Akshay, yeah, if you remember it, it's the condition of emptying, right? It's not filling. Okay. Okay, it's emptying only. If it is filling, you need to do plus addition there. Okay, plus sign used to come. Yeah, plus sign used to come. Okay. Okay. Uh, uh, okay, correct. The tank never fill. The tank is going to be never fill, because always the outgoing part is more, no? So do you think the tank get filled? No. Yes or no, guys, I understood. Yeah, because you are learning 5 questions and you're forgetting 5 questions. How the tank will get filled? No, that's not possible. Okay, always there is a difference will be there. Okay, so that's not possible. Okay. Yeah, Surya Dubyala, DUBYALA. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. Thanks a lot for being in the session. Have a great day. Okay. Have a great day. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Thanks a lot for being in the session. Great day. So please focus on these days, because these days are crucial for you. When you are in third year, these days were crucial. Yeah. Okay. Thank you, guys. Yeah, Saket, already we discussed third question. I took so much time. Yeah, got it. Okay, Pujita. Yes. Saket, the question is very simple. That there are a total of 8 pipes. Okay. So they were asking how many filling the tank and how many are emptying it. Okay. So the question is this. It can fill the tank in 8 hours. So 1 hour work is 1 by 8. So 1 by 8 means, can I say it's 12.5%? What is 1 by 6? 1 by 6 is going to be what? Yeah, 1 by 6 is going to be what? 16.66. What is the difference here? Saket, could you please tell me what is the difference here? Yeah, 4.16, which means, in every hour, essentially it is emptying 4.16. In how many hours the tank will get emptied? 6 hours. 1 hour 4.16. In 6 hours it will be, this is almost 25%. Yes or no? Saket. 4.16 into, so this would be what, 25%. With one pipe, 25 liters is going out. If you have how many pipes? 100 liters will go out. because you need to empty the tank. That is our agenda. If you have how many pipes, this will happen, Saket? 4 pipes, which means 4 outlet pipes. Outlet pipes are 4. So inlet pipes are how many? Total 8, 4. That's it. That is your answer. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Okay, guys. That's all my time. I am Surya signing off. Thank you. Thank you, everybody. Good day. Yeah. A day is done. Good half day. Thank you. So meet you tomorrow morning. Thank you.